You want to put your home up for sale by owner? I say go for it. It's perfectly legal and achievable for you to do so, so why not? Now, with any do-it-yourself project, you're going to want to learn as much as you can before you start. So I'm providing some tips here for you. You're thinking, well, I'll just put it on the internet, right? And the buyers will start calling me. Well, the first recommendation I give you is do not use your own phone number as a contact number. I promise you, as soon as you post it on Zillow or ForSaleByOwner.com or anywhere, your phone is going to light up. But you're saying, Stephen, wait, I want buyers to call me, right? Believe me, it's not going to be home searchers looking at giving you an offer on your home. It's going to be dozens, if not hundreds, of real estate agents trying to get you to list your home with them. Most will be pleasant, but many will try to convince you that you're crazy, overpriced, and downright a fool to try to sell yourself. After a few days, you'll want to stop answering the phone, but you've used your own personal number, and now every time the phone rings, you've got to check in case it's some friend or family member trying to reach out to you. And honestly, this could go on for years. Now that could be another video. If you have questions about selling yourself, or you want me in your corner getting you the most in your pocket, call me, email me, and we can discuss strategy with no strings attached.